I've been doing a lot of thinking. I got to get more involved in business, and I intend to. I mean that this time. I'm going to. I know the business. I was there at the beginning with Dad, remember? I just want to know, do we sell fruit and vegetables, or is it just fruit?
And by the time I came home, she was already gone.
Victoria left, huh?
Yeah. You know why she left me, Freddie? Because I didn't love her.
That bitch.
Hi. Hi. Anywhere but the first 3 rows. Anywhere but the first 3 rows.
Hey!
Hi, Freddie. Hey, Alan, where's Victoria?
Oh, she is sick, and she can't make it.
That's too bad. I'm sorry to hear. See.
Hey!
Why didn't I love her, Freddie? Huh? Can you answer me that? Why didn't I love her? I mean, she had everything. She was bright. She was sensitive. She was beautiful.
Hey, Alan!
Hi. Hi.
Where's Victoria?
Flu. Bad flu. She's very sick, and she can't make it because of the flu.
Give her my love, will you?
You bet. Sure. I can't even give her my love, Freddie. I'm telling you, something in here is not working.
There are worse organs not to be working.
Hi, guys. Hey, Bauer, where's that pretty lady of yours?
She's not coming, okay? What, you want your money back? Well, I don't know. Maybe it's all for the best, huh?
Hey, Alan.
She left me! She moved out and my life's a shambles, okay? That's the news. You want the weather? Anywhere but the first 3 rows!
Should really lighten up on the guy. That's the bride's brother.